This is so adorable.
It's adorable, right?
This is the 11 by 7 baker, done in these really fabulous seasonal motifs. It has these strap handles that we're calling them.
Look at that.
On the edge. And we have all your favorite little characters here. All right, so, wow, we started 1, 2, 3, 4. We started with 8 and we're down to 3.
No, we're down to 3.
And it's on free shipping and handling. So if you waited for this moment, for this big nonstop holiday party, well then you are in luck because you're saving another $5.50 and it's a $4 easy pay. Lisa right there, she's showing it to you in Winter Whimsy.
And I just took a cake right out of here, by the way.
You just took it right out. Look at that. That is the glory that is the stoneware.
Look how cute that is. Yeah.
Oh.
Winter Whimsy. Look how sweet this is with our characters.
Bojangles.
I know.
Oh gosh, I'm blanking. Gumdrop.
Okay, Gumdrop is our gingerbread.
Yeah.
Elfberty, of course, is our elf. Wimbly's our reindeer. And Mr. Bojangles. And then we have those vintage C9 light bulbs. And we have the cardinals that we all love at Christmas.
So cute.
Yes.
Okay, we do have other options right here in front of me. This is going to be your poinsettia. I'm just going to move this so they can see.
Thank you.
Styled
With the
beautifully,
cardinal.
but look at the cardinal there. Fewer than how many, Jonathan? Fewer than 800 remain.
No
in the
more coming in this
poinsettia.
year. That's it.
And then on the other side, we have it in. Oh, I love them so much. Do you know how much I love the gnome?
There's no place like home.
There's no place like home. Okay, 1,300 remain in the gnome. Already out the gate, the poinsettia is the most popular.
Okay,
but
got it.
let's get into it.
All right, let's get into it. So let's talk about the size, 11 by 7,
That's
right?
like classic, right?
Yeah, it's classic. It's at 2.5 quart size right there. So it's at middle of the road size. Not too big, not too small. You're loving our strap handles. That's new this season. So look how updated that silhouette is. Still goes into the oven up to 500 degrees, into the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, and the dishwasher. But this is a must-have. And if you've always aspired to have holiday bakeware, this is how you do it, right? Under $20 and the free shipping today.
And free shipping, yeah.
And
That's
what
how
a
you
great
do it.
gift, huh?
Oh,
For
a
the baker.
fabulous gift. For
I know
the
what to
baker
get
in the
you.
home.
The gnome.
Oh,
and
yeah, I
Paul
like the
Fetty.
gnomes. Yeah, I like, and winter woodland white. Anything Temp-tations, basically. I'm just going to love, because it is
Cute.
perfect gift giving.
Yes.
Free shipping and handling. Even if they're like, you're the one who brings the cake. You're the one who brings
Yes.
the pie. Whatever
It's like
it is that you
your
make in
signature
here.
thing.
And you bring it in that, and they get to keep that.
Yes, I love that. And here's why we love Temp-tations, right?
Okay.
Instead of using that metal bakeware, instead of using those throwaway tins, you can now, think of what you pay for those things, number one. But this is functional, right? So mix right in here. You can't believe that I can take this KitchenAid. I need this KitchenAid mixer, by the way.
That's a nice one.
No cord, and it is like smooth as silk.
That's
oh my
really
gosh.
nice.
But literally, you can mix right in here. I'm going right up against the sides purposely because I just want to show you. You don't need to baby this. Put it into the oven up to 500 degrees, then bring it out and serve it. Put some foil or wrap on it if there's any leftovers and you need to store it. But
We
that's
all saw
one
what
dish
our portion
cooking.
control looked like. There's not going to be any leftovers.
Don't hang with Julia and I because first of all, we'll eat all the popcorn.
All the popcorn.
And the chocolate.
And the chocolate.
And we'll drink all the wine.
All the wine. And now I'm going to eat your cake, too. I can have my cake and eat it, too.
You can have your, yes, you can, my friend. With Temp-tations.
Oh, yes, you can. Hold on, before we go any further, let me show everyone the colors again.
Sure thing.
This is the poinsettia. Let me move this again so you can see. There's the cardinal. Very popular, and fewer than 700 remain now in the poinsettia. It's so festive and timely. Now, here is the Winter Whimsy with all our favorite holiday characters. There we go.
Look how cute that is.
Look at Elf Birdie. I want to be a character someday. That's a goal. That's a goal of mine.
Well, you have to think of what you want to be.
Okay. And then we have it in the gnomes.
Isn't that
which
so
are just
sweet?
so cute. And everybody's been loving gnomes for the holidays in the last few years, primarily.
That's
they
a new
really,
pattern for us this year.
Is it? I presented with Tara the spoon rests, and I freaked out. I freaked out.
They're just.
It was just way too cute for words.
That
Sometimes something is just too cute and you don't know what to do. And that's how I feel about the gnomes. I'm just like, it gets me. It got me. It got me good. It's just so adorable. That's how I feel about the gnomes. Just FYI.
Because they make you smile, right? And that's kind of what the holidays are all about. I love the fact that you can even do one dish cooking in here,
Look at that.
right?
It's beautiful.
So this isn't just for Christmas Day. This is for the entire winter season, right? Because first of all, that cardinal that you all know and love, we all love it around the holidays. So look, we just diced up our carrots, our peppers, and then we did, this looks like a turkey.
Turkey breast, maybe?
No, loin. What's that called? The pork loin? Don't ask me. I don't know, but it's a beautiful.
It's a lovely protein.
It's a lovely. It's a lovely protein
It
on
smells
top.
really good, I'll tell you that.
And remember how we told you that we took this cake right out of here? Look, we literally took this right out. If you want to put parchment paper in, great, but you don't need to because stoneware is actually naturally non-stick.
Naturally non-stick.
So everything comes out just like a breeze.
Could you do like an ice cream pie in here and freeze it?
Yes, you can put it right into the freezer.
Right?
So that's such a great point. So like prepping in advance at the holidays,
Yep.
where you're trying to get like, wait, you could do like a peppermint bark ice cream cake. Right, Julia?
Yes. Can we make that?
Yes.
I
We can.
really wanna
We
make
need, we
that.
need to get a recipe for that. 'Cause
Yeah, that sounds great.
this
Peppermint
is
bark
so
ice cream
pretty,
cake.
so sweet. And you've been asking for this size, that great 11 by 7 size. Remember, I took a cake out of here. So look at this. When we talk about cleanup being a breeze, I can literally just wipe my finger right in the side of there. Everything comes off. And you want to know a little tip?
But you can't throw it in the dishwasher, right?
You can
If
put it
you
right
want-
in the
if you need to.
dishwasher, but you don't need to spray it. So no
Okay.
extra fats or oils. Like I'm saving all my calories for the cake, okay? I don't want to have to spray stuff and
yeah.
get my, butter.
It's all about balance.
all about balance.
It's all about balance. I just noticed on the poinsettia that it has this really pretty kind of like rope detail
Whoa.
along the top.
That was so close. I almost lost that Christmas tree. Yeah, the detail that Tara makes
Yeah.
sure in every single piece. By the way, how fun to bring this candy charcuterie board.
Ooh,
and I
cute.
love that. Oh, and you know what?
Okay, so this is going to be your poinsettia. You can see. Here's your winter whimsy. And then we have the gnomes as well. This is K84586. It's under $20. It's an everyday essential that is also fun and festive. Oh, what did you make
I just
here?
thought you might be a little hungry, so
Oh my gosh.
we did a little sweet potato casserole.
Oh, was that cheesy?
Yeah, it's cheesy.
Is it cheesy?
And it's yummy. And imagine this is your holiday table, and this is how you're bringing it to the table. Easy helper handles on the side. So pretty, though.
It's
Simple.
beautiful.
And by the way,
Wow.
we eat with our eyes first, so I know this is going to taste delicious.
That looks
Want me to like take it with me
Yeah,
everywhere
maybe
I go?
everywhere we go.
Perfect.
Everywhere we go. Okay, next.